Welcome to Educator Academy. So guys, in this video I am going to tell you about the variable. So there are three types of variable. So global variable is actually the variable that can be declared outside the function and can easily access throughout the program. So let me declare my variable educator equal to double commas welcome to Educator Academy. So this is my variable. As we know, we can use global variable inside the function. So I'm using here function, and the function name I'm given here academy. So let's suppose this is my function here, and inside this function I use global so that it will be declared that this is global variable. So copy this and paste here. So this is declared that this variable is my global variable, and we can access throughout the program inside the function as well as outside the function. So I'm use echo and printing the line variable which is inside the function, so that we can easily separate, we can easily understand whether the variable is inside the function or outside the function. So this is my variable educator academy which is inside the function, and let me declare it also outside the function. So I'm calling this function, let me here call academy and that the name of function, and let me declare it again echo. Let me print this line variable which is outside the function, so that we can easily be understand whether the function is inside or outside. So let me dot that variable that I've declared. So I want to show these both line and a separate line. So for that I use br tag. Now let me save my program and search here XAMPP control panel. So now this is open, start Apache machines, data chain detected running, and again go to the Google Chrome and search here localhost. So localhost website is open, and remove dashboard and enter folder name with file. So this is actually the output which is inside, and both variable are showing. This is global variable that is declared inside function and can be accessed throughout the function where we want. So this is actually the property of global variable. Now we will see about local variable. So let me remove this and remove this variable. Now we will see about local variable. So local variable is declared inside the function. So function is academy, which is I am declaring here educator is equal to 98. This is my local variable. So and we cannot access outside the function. If we declare, if we want to access outside the function, it will not give any output. Only inside declared function will give output. So let me save my program. So go to the file, let me save here and go to it and refresh. Now you can see variable which is inside is 98, and we cannot access outside declared function. So this is actually the local variable. Now we will see about static variable. So static, let me declare static educator is equal to 98. This is my static variable. So now I use br tag here to show output in a new line. So let me copy function and call one time, second time, the third time, and the fourth time. So educator plus plus, this is actually increment of static variable. So it will give output 99, 101, 102, 103. Let me save program. Now you can see 99, 100, 101, 102. This is my output, and you can see outside function is not accessible in also static variable. So this is actually the all three variable that I have discussed in this video. So guys, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel.